Be placed for Jawada Part 2. On my be stuck in an elevator with 3 red dogs and with 3 people who fought constantly. Kagwabe naman sila mga kapupo naman sila sa mga elevator. Umtaw na mga paupupo dito sa Calvary Seat. Ho 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 ho. Red dogs na lang pa tibuhay. Kundi adik babaho na na sa akong pwistik. Let's go, let's go. Ang paupupo naman didi kago ka. Takalan island with the kilos. Takalan also ang hanggang shots. Tay ka siguro. Adi. May daw naman kilos na may mamatay naman ako. Commit suicide naman sa imo. Ho. Something good. I'm not going to do this one. Ano magago ka? Ha. Oh, diba? Sabi ko na eh. And the wall. I'm not going to do this one. Ano magago ka? I don't want to know when you die or when the person you love dies. Let's say this one. I don't want to know when I am going to die like 2019 or something. Ho. It's like TikTok. What's wrong with you? Person you love died. Hindi na lang. TikTok naman na gago ka. TikTok naman ito. Tawag ka na TikTok. Gago ka man. You own me for the rest of your life and never meet again. Itong pa, misconception naman ng imo pang within na if meet again, I'm not a vegetarian so definitely I'm not going to do this. Ade, pauti buhay. Please. If I get this one, the video ends. Change your religion. No! Ang Catholic at change your political party na lang ako. Let's go. Oh my God, may 6 na naman na nasamin. Naman ito na overdress. Always be overdress on the dress. Underdress, tagay naked na lang sa akong gago ka. Di, overdress. Yes! If I get this white below one Friday because you know I was also coming we're just going to take a new schedule na I get this right but I want on fly. If I go to mispronounce something else I'm going to go to the dentist and remove my teeth like all of them and then I'm not going to talk about this and I don't want on Friday. Okay, fly doon naman sa imulanik gago ka. Have everyone know your darkest secret or have anyone. Sino si anyone naman kay makasabi naman na anyone gago ka. To know your darkest secret or believe a false one about your body. Tumpa. Pronounce logo the video ends. Mami mo naman na matangos sa naon ano ka. It's just cringe. What do we just miss? Kung darkest secret please. Amput.